Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to resolve this error. Failed to create session. Original error is simulator architecture is not supported. How to fix this, guys? So this usually occurs when you're trying to install an app file which is intended to install in iOS real device rather than in iOS simulator. Okay. For that, guys, just build an app which is specifically applicable for iOS simulator. You can build an app from Xcode. Once the build is successful, try to add the app and try to start the session again. So that error is now resolved. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.